Hi there, it's Claire from Couture, and today I'm going to show you how to knit, not crochet, but you get the same results, a row of chain stitches. So let me show you. So this is ideal for when maybe you haven't got a crochet hook, or you just have one of our patterns where you need a row of chain stitches, and all you do is you take your yarn, so you cast on one stitch and it's just a one row repeat, and you just wrap your yarn over your needle and take that stitch off and slip it over the end. So wrap the yarn over the needle and then drop that stitch off. Let's just get a bit more yarn, do a few. It's really simple. Drop that stitch off and yarn over and drop that stitch off. It's just quite a good thing for you to know in case you don't crochet and you need to make a knitted chain. Obviously with crochet it's a little bit faster than this, but nevertheless you end up with a chain of stitches that you can use on your project. So, hope that's helpful. Have a great day. Please subscribe down below and do follow us. We'll be making more videos. Thank you guys.